In a groundbreaking move, the United States has offered consultancy to India to build advanced drones under the Predator deal. Now, how will this partnership shape India's defense capability and strategic influence? That's something to wonder about. Hello and welcome to TimesXP. This is me, Kriti Atri. Now, this deal is more than just a transfer of technology. It's a strategic partnership that could redefine the military dynamics in the region. First, let's just understand the Predator deal. The agreement between India and US involves not only the purchase of Predator drones, but also the transfer of technology and expertise that is necessary for India to develop its own advanced drones. As India negotiates to buy 31 Predator drones, the United States has offered India help to develop advanced unmanned aerial vehicles with better surveillance. Now, India and US are finalizing a deal to equip all three branches of Indian armed forces with these high-tech drones to improve surveillance. Out of the 31 drones, the Navy will receive 15, while the Air Force and Army will get 8 each. Now, this development is expected to greatly improve India's surveillance in the Indian Ocean and along its mountain borders with Pakistan and China. Now here, let me tell you that India and the US had previously announced plan for $4 billion deal for 31 high-altitude long-endurance UAVs. That was during Prime Minister Narendra Modi's state visit to US last year. Meanwhile, Defense Ministry officials have revealed that Indian armed forces are planning to equip these Predators drones with Indian-made weapons during the assembly in India. Navy Chief Admiral R. Harikumar has also mentioned that integrating Indian weapon system with these drones is being considered. Now, as part of the plan, these three operational hubs will be set up in northern, northeastern and southern India to deploy these advanced drones. Top government officials have also said that INS Rojali, which is near Chennai, will be the hub for covering India's vast maritime zone. Well, this is where two leased Predator zones are currently operated. Now, the number of drones that are needed for the full surveillance along China and Pakistan front is still being determined. But the Predator drones will be operated under a joint command that includes all three surveillance. That's what I'm talking about: Navy, Army and Air Force. Now, pilots and ground station handlers from these branches will also be soon trained to operate these drones, ensuring a unified and coordinated approach. In conclusion, the US consultancy to help India build advanced drones under the Predator deal is a very pivotal development in the Indo-US defense relation. It not only boosts India's military capabilities but also strengthens the strategic partnership between the two nations. For more such information, do follow TimesXP.